Essay Coronavirus or COVID-19. COVID-19 is a disease caused by a new strain of coronavirus. CO stands for corona, VI for virus, and D for disease. Formerly, this disease was referred to as 2019 novel coronavirus. The COVID-19 virus is a new virus linked to the same family of viruses as severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, and some types of common cold. The first human cases of COVID-19 infection reported in Wuhan City, China on December 2019. First case of COVID-19 infection reported in Kerala, India on January 27, 2020. The World Health Organization WHO on March 11, 2020 has declared the novel coronavirus outbreak a global pandemic. As per the World Health Organization WHO, COVID-19 has so far affected 150 plus countries in the world and 30 million people infection confirmed globally. The symptoms of the coronavirus victim are some things like this. COVID-19 symptoms can be very mild to severe. Some people have no symptoms. The most common symptoms are fever, cough, and tiredness. Other symptoms may include shortness of breath, muscle pain, chills, sore throat, headache, chest pain, and loss of taste or smell. This list is not all inclusive. Other less common symptoms have also been reported. Symptoms may appear 2 to 14 days after exposure. How does COVID-19 spread? Coronavirus disease 2019 mainly spreads from person to person among those in close contact within about 6 feet or 2 meters. The virus spreads by respiratory droplets released when someone infected with the virus coughs, sneezes, breathes, sings, or talks. These droplets can be inhaled or land in the mouth, nose, or eyes of a person nearby. Sometimes the COVID-19 virus can spread when a person is exposed to small droplets that stay in the air for several minutes or hours, called airborne transmission. It's not yet known how common it is for the virus to spread this way. It can also spread if a person touches a surface with the virus on it and then touch his or her mouth, nose, or eyes. To protect yourself from the coronavirus, clean your hands often, use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Wear a mask when physical distancing is not possible. Don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention. Calling in advance allows your healthcare provider to quickly direct you to the right health facility. This protects you and prevents the spread of viruses and other infections. India and many countries of the world have discovered the vaccine of coronavirus. In India, the Serum Institute of India has manufactured Covishield vaccine. Bharat Biotech of India has manufactured Covaxin. Conclusion: stay alert, stay clean, stay healthy, and strictly follow the guidelines issued by the government to end the corona. There have been many epidemics before which we have completely conquered, and similarly we will beat corona together. Stay home, stay safe.
For many more videos, like, share and subscribe the channel.